Hello and welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy. We're in the Object-Oriented Java section, Lesson Methods Part 1. Great work. We created a dog object inside of the main method, but nothing happened. Although we created an object inside of main method, we did not print out anything about the spike object itself, nor did we instruct the class to perform any actions. Let's learn about how methods in Java are used to define actions. A method is a predefined set of instructions. Methods are declared within a class. Java provides some predefined methods available to all classes, but we can create our own as well. Let's create a new method. We have the car class here, which has an int model year variable. Down here, our car constructor will add whatever year we pass in to that model year variable. Here's our new method to help us get started. So it's a public void start engine method, which will print out vroom whenever we call this start engine method. And here we just have the same code from before. We create a new car object, my fast car, and we pass in 2007 as the model year or the year, and it gets added into the model year variable. So in the example above, we added a method called start engine. When the method is used, it will print out vroom. The void keyword will be explained later in this course. Note that the start engine method is created outside of the main method, like the constructor was. In between the constructor and the main method, add a method called bark to the dog class by typing public void bark. Okay, let's do that first. They want us to go here and not inside of the main method, but outside of it, we're going to do what it says here, public void bark, parentheses, and then curly braces. So let's see if we pass that, run, and we did pass. Second, inside the bark method, type system out print line woof. Go ahead and copy all this, and inside of bark, within the curly braces, we're going to paste that. So whenever we use the bark method, it should print out woof. Let us run this. We did also pass it. So the important thing we're learning in this lesson is how to create a method which will perform an action. Here we created the bark method, which when used will print out woof. And they showed us the same thing with their example. Up here with the car, whenever we use the start engine method, it will print out vroom. So that was Methods Part 1 on Learn Java on Codecademy. Like and subscribe if this was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.